Andhra Pradesh versus Telangana Godavari water war is what we're reporting on. Telangana has refused to negotiate on the water project. Andhra Pradesh to raise the project in a meeting with the centre that they're having. This has got to do with the Banaka-Cherla project issue. This meeting is going to be seeing the presence of the Jal Shakti Ministry representative as well. Well, Telangana has said no to a discussion on Andhra Pradesh's project ahead of this key meeting. Core agenda for Andhra Pradesh in today's Jal Shakti Ministry meeting is the Banaka-Cherla project. CBN, Chandrababu Naidu, the Chief Minister, is in Delhi primarily to resolve impending issues with Telangana over this project, Godavari water war over the Banaka-Cherla project. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu to meet C.R. Patil, Minister C.R. Patil at 2:30 p.m. Both the Chief Minister and Telangana Chief Minister, both the CMs from Andhra and Telangana, are slated to join the meeting at the Jal Shakti Ministry. Chief Minister Revanth Reddy from Telangana has been sending fillers to this centre that Telangana is not in favour of discussing Banaka-Cherla. I'm going to go straight across to Amit Bhardwaj. Amit, talk to us about what exactly is the bone of contention here as far as this key water project is concerned.
Well, Sneha, Andhra Pradesh, like it is launching one after other ambitious projects, and that too with a focus on the coastline as well as, harnessing the water power that's available with the Telugu state. This is yet another ambitious project that Chandrababu Naidu, as the Chief Minister of the state, wants to unveil in the state Banaka-Cherla project. But the problem here is that Telangana feels that it is not under the rightful share of Andhra Pradesh to go ahead with this particular project, and in fact they said that when this DPR for Banaka-Cherla project was being made, Telangana was not kept in the loop. In fact, it was all being done from the back doors, and Telangana's argument is that the clearance from the Central Water Commission has not come in, the clearance from the Godavari Water Management Board has not come in, so how can Andhra Pradesh go ahead with this particular project? But, as far as the TDP or Andhra Pradesh government or Chandrababu Naidu is concerned, they are very clear that this is the core agenda for today's meeting. In fact, at 2:30 p.m. today, Chandrababu Naidu would be meeting C.R. Patil, the Union Jal Shakti Minister, in Delhi. And in this particular meeting, Revanth Reddy, the Chief Minister of Telangana, is also expected. While Telangana government has been sending fillers to the centre that, look, this cannot be part of the meeting, the Banaka-Cherla project cannot be on the agenda of this particular meeting.